Fruiting bodies of fungi. Let's start with asexual fruiting body. First one is acervuli. Acervuli is a term which is derived from Latin. In Latin, acervus means heap. Acervuli is a saucer-shaped fruiting body formed by the aggregation of hyphae in the pseudoparenchymatous tissue. So generally it produces a depressed bed-like mass from which numerous setae as well as numerous short conidiophore arises. Setae is a long, dark, stiff hair-like bristle produced in between the conidiophores. Example is Colitotricha, which causes anthracnose. And the second one is pycnidium, which is again a Greek word, which means pycnon, means concentrated, and adion is a suffix. Pycnidium is a hollow flask-shaped fruiting body with a prominent ostiole. The multilayered cell wall is known as peridium, and it is formed by numerous pseudoparenchymatous sterile tissue, inside which they are lined up with numerous short pycnidiophores, which bears pycnidiospores at the tip. Example, Macrophomina phaseolina. Sporodochium or sporodochia is a Greek word. Sporos means seed, dochion means container, a seed-bearing container. The sporodochium is generally a barrel-shaped or cushion-like or mattress-like aggregation of hyphae over which the conidiophores are produced, and the example is fusarium. Cinemata or coremia is a name derived from Greek. In Greek, syn means together and nema means yard. Here it's a loose aggregation of branched as well as unbranched conidiophores, and the upper end diverges to bear the conidia. This cinemata resembles like a brush or a feather or a duster. Coming to sexual fruiting bodies, there are 5 different sexual fruiting bodies: pseudothecium, perithecium, clistothecium, chasmothecium, and apothecium. So here, chasmothecium and clistothecium look similar because they are completely closed. The term clisto is derived from a Greek word which means closed, and TK means case. And the difference is that in chasmothecium, the ascus are basally arranged, and in clistothecium, the ascus are scattered. So coming to chasmothecium, chasmothecium is the completely closed ascocarp produced by all the Howdy multipathogens, example Erisife, Lavellula, Microsphaera, Sphaerotheca, Podosphaera, etc. And they can be differentiated only based on the appendages they produce. Example, Erisife and Lavellula, they produce a mycelial appendage. Phylactinia corelia produces a bulbous base with pointed tip appendage. Erisipe necator, earlier known as Amphinula necator, produces a circinoid or coiled tip appendage, whereas Microsphaera diffusa produces a chasmothecium, where the appendage is dichotomously branched at the tip. Perithecium is again important sexual fruiting body produced by fungi. Perithecium is a name derived from Greek peri means around, theke means case. It's a flask-shaped fruiting body with a prominent ostiole at the tip. The assae is having a single wall, which is unitunicate. Example, claviceps. Pseudothecium or ascostroma, which is given in the right, resembles more or less to that of perithecium. Here, the assae are bitunicate in nature, and the ascospores are dispersed so suddenly. Example, Venturia. Basidiocarp is the sexual fruiting body produced by Basidiomycota fungi. There is 2 types of basidiocarp. One is mushroom and the other one is bracket. Mushrooms are soft fruiting body without a hymeneal pore. Example, Agaricus pleurotus, callocybe, etc. Brackets are hard fruiting body with hymeneal pore. Example, Ganoderma. Thank you.